Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, you will learn how to add an image to your video using AceMovi Video Editor. So this is my new video editing software, and I think it's a great software for those of you who want to create YouTube video, vlog or travel video or cooking video or stuff like that. If you are a beginner who want to learn about editing video, then this is the right software for you. And this is a free software, meaning that you can download the software and try all the features of the program. By the way, when you export the video with free version, your output will be watermark, and you need to purchase a license to remove that watermark. I will put my 40% discount coupon code at the description so you can use it to save your money. Alright, so here I am inside AceMovi Video Editor. In order to save your time, I already import a video of me talking about my LSD and also some image here. So the first thing, we need to drag and drop this video onto the timeline. Let's put it at this track. Okay, so it's me talking about my LSD, and actually this is an old video. And let's mute the audio first. To do that, we go double click on the video here and then go to the audio, and then we can reduce the volume here to 0. So it's very easy. Okay, for example, at this position, when we're talking about something and then we want to overlay an image on the video at this position, so we can go back to the media bin here, and then we can drag and drop this. This is the image of the SanDisk. So this is the first image I want to add to the timeline. Okay, so I'm going to put it right here. Okay, so the track is too high, I can adjust it to smaller. Being mentioned that with this video editor, you can add as many tracks as you want on the timeline. Okay, for example, to add a track, you can just right click at the beginning of the track, and then you click here to insert a track above or bottom. Okay, so we can insert more track here, or when you want to overlay image or audio or titles, stuff like that. Okay, so here is the image. The first thing I want to do with the image is just resize the image and also change the position. To resize the image, we can simply click the image on the preview window, and then we can click left click here, and then we can resize it to this position or stuff like that. Very easy, right? And we can even rotate the image with this button. Okay, we can click on this button and rotate it. And when you rotate it on the preview window like this, you will see the parameter here at the property panel we change also. Okay, so for the first one, I want to put it right here and rotate it like this. All right, very nice, right? And here's the first image. And now, what if I want to add some animation for this image? What should I do? In AceMovi Video Editor, there are two ways you can add animation for your image. The first one is to use the transition effect, and the second one is use the animation. So for the first one, I'm going to select the animation here. I'm sorry, the first one I want to select the transition here. So if I want to have this one, for example, wipe up, meaning that the image will go from bottom to the top. We can just simply select the transition here and then drop it directly to the image that we want to have the transition effect, like this. So the good things about this video editor is that when you add an effect on the image on top track, it will not affect the track below it. For example, here is the transition that we add to this image. You can see the transition effect didn't affect the video here down here. With other video editor like Movavi or Filmora or stuff like that, when we add the transition here, it will sometimes affect the video at the bottom. Okay, so this is just the first one. And for example, we can extend the duration of the image and add another transition. For example, this one, row wish, and just drag and drop it and put it at the end of the image. And here we have the disappear effect effect for the image. Very nice, right? So that is the first way you can add animation to your image when you want to add it to your video. And the second way is to add the animation. Let's add another image onto a timeline. For example, this one, the SanDisk at this position. And also I want to resize it to this area. Okay. Alright, I'm sorry for the background noise because there's a school near my house. By the way, it's okay. I hope they will stop talking. Alright, so here we have an image on our video, and we want to add an animation for this image. Simply go here. So there's a button here. No, this one. There's a button here called animations, and we can select on that. So we have different animation effect here. By the way, this is just a new software, so maybe in the next month or in near future they will upgrade with more. The software will be upgraded with more animation and more effect. I hope so. For example, we want to have this one drop bounce, and let's just drag and drop it directly to the image on the timeline. And now we have the FX symbol here, meaning that you have the effect inside the image. And then let's play it. Let's see the default effect. Drop bounce. Very nice, right? And another good thing about this software is that you can adjust the animation right here at the property panel. Here we have image and color and motion. When you add the effect to the image, you will have the motion here. Here you can adjust the start time, loop duration, delay and acceleration, and also select the loop count. For example, this is only 1, and if we want to change the loop to 4, for example, it would change the effect of the image here. Here is the effect. Alright, so that is how easily you can add an image to your video, and also how to add transition to your image and add an animation effect for your image inside AceMovi Video Editor. If you want to try the software, go ahead to the link I put in the description, and don't forget to use my 40% discount coupon code to save your money if you want to purchase the software. Alright, so that is enough for today's tutorial. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.